Hello to my Taurus. This is Queen Amun Ra coming to you with your general reading. Let's get right into it. Let's see what kind of week you're going to have, Taurus. Let's get into it. Let's see what's in your cards. The moon has moved into Libra. Moved into Libra. This reading is for the 23rd of December through the 30th. 30th begins a whole new cycle. That's right, new cycle. Yeah, so moon is in Libra. Libra is all about balance. It's ruled by Venus. So you may be feeling lots of love. You and Libras are ruled by Venus. Love, pleasure, music, art, aesthetics, erotic love, enjoyment, cooperation, sexual desire, beauty. It's also associated with the day Friday. It's also associated with metal copper. So those could be little fun facts for somebody. Let's get into it. All right. So something new is starting here. We have the Ace of so we have the Two of Wands here. Two of Wands here. We also have the Eight of Swords. So we have the Ace of Swords, the Eight of Swords. So somebody has enough information now to just kind of stop talking about something. Stop talking about somebody, stop talking to somebody. So somebody has enough information at this point. Like you have enough. Stop talking to, stop talking about. Somebody moving on. Moving on, moving on, moving on. Somebody's going inside their vault door. And that's it. Right? Starting something new. Starting something new. Here we have, you're spending your time on something else now. Behind closed doors. Here we also have the Nine of focusing on fulfilling your wishes. Right? Here we also have the Four of and you're finally getting your rest. Finally getting your rest, which is a good thing. And then King of Wands, right? Yeah. Finally getting your rest. Yeah. No longer talking about two situations and just finally getting your rest. Somebody is now working on you're working on a new legacy. You and somebody are working on a new legacy. And no longer talking about something. That's what you're focusing on. That is what you're focusing on, your new legacy, and that's it. That is it. That is all. You're not focused on anything else. You're just focusing on what you got going on. That's it. Drinking your water and minding your business for this new year. With a clear mind. New beginning. A new beginning. Goody goody. Back in the saddle again for somebody. Back in the saddle again. Learning how to save yourself. You're just raising your frequency. Just learning how to save yourself, raising your frequency. Here we also have the Knight. And just trying to stay focused. Just staying focused. Moving on from past disappointments, but staying focused, right? And we have the Eight of Wands here. That came out twice. Hold on. Wait a minute. Yeah. Yeah. So you and somebody are now focusing on something new. Y'all are talking about something different. Y'all focusing on your 8 hours on something new. And the conversation is something else. Right. No longer talking about, no longer motivated to talk about what you were talking about, whatever you were talking about before. You have put that to rest. You have put that to rest. Whatever you were motivated to talk about before, um, that was invoking nightmares, whether you were saying two energies were nightmares or something was a nightmare, two things were nightmares or whatever it was, you're not motivated talking about it anymore. You ended that. Something around money or something around somebody's worth or value, it's over. Something is over. You're just saving yourself. Saving yourself the stress. Saving yourself the stress. Saving yourself the stress. Yeah, when you see the King of Pentacles is like you have as much information as you need on something. It's like, okay, yes, you've reached the pinnacle of something. That's like, okay, you're on your throne, you got as much information as you need, you don't need any more. The Ace of Swords is like, okay, you got what you need. Ace and 8 would be 9. 9 is death, rebirth. Okay, something has ended. Something has ended. That's clear. Two things have ended. Two things have ended. The two things no longer talking to or talking about. Something has just ended. Yeah, you have the whole world in front of you. There's something else. You'll find something else to do. That's what Source is basically saying. So you got a whole world to travel, meet new people, do a whole lot of things. You're about to roll into 2025. It's exciting new world. There's all of these wonderful things to do, and you get ready to go do it, right? So it's somebody's third eye is definitely open. Somebody is definitely enlightened. Somebody is definitely enlightened about some things. So here's the Ace. Let me see. Hold on. Got 2 wands here. The 2 wands here. Yeah. Yeah, so a lot of time was invested into something. A lot of time was invested into something. Somebody had something happen. Something happened. Here we have the Justice card. 2 situations here, and this is Libra right here. Something having to do with Libra. But as far as 2 situations are concerned, here we have the King of Swords. So somebody is at the somebody has clear knowledge of something now. Somebody has a clear understanding, clear knowledge of something. Someone is like, okay, now you understand something. Yep. Here we have the 5 of Coins here. Yeah. 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 So 9 of Pentacles. 9. Trying to get my brains together. Trying to get my brains. Child, wait a minute. Hold on. I don't know why a certain song is coming to my mind, child. I need to stop listening to. Something came to my mind. It popped up on. There's nothing comes up by accident. Like sometimes you like listening to like you're trying to find a certain particular music or whatever, and it's like certain things just kind of pop up in your like it wasn't even on a playlist because I don't even listen to certain types of music, but something popped up. Anyway, things around conversations around wills, trust, um, what you're leaving to people will no longer be a part of a discussion for people who cannot handle those conversations. Those won't be a part of a conversation anymore because some people can't handle those conversations. Yeah, some people will do anything for money, literally. Yeah, literally. Um, yeah, so here we have five here, five here. So there's two energies here. So somebody spent a lot of time, yeah, doing something, and somebody had to end something only to not, be a part of something. So, um, yeah, so somebody's moving on from something. Yeah, because something is very clear now. So something is very, very clear. So some kind of breakthrough happened here. Some kind of something, the motive. That's the Ace of Swords is motive. Ace of Swords is motive, right? Yep. Here we have the Queen of Coins here. Queen of Coins is like going down this rabbit hole. And remember, in the minor arcana, there is no gender, right? So there's really no gender. So even if you see man, woman, or whatever, well, that's in a physical sense. Everybody has a throne in their universe because you can have king, queen all in one body, right? Duality. But major arcana, obviously. But somebody went down a rabbit hole, came back, um, down to earth, relatable. We're able to really analyze the situation. Came back with some information. Yeah, came back with some information. All right. So it's time to build. Time to build. Time to build. The third eye is now open. Time to build. Yep. So some conversations will be had. Some conversations will be had. Some lips are moving. Number 3 looks like lips. So some lips are moving, right? So people are getting off the fence. Here we have, this would be 8. 8 and night would be, 9 and night is 8. And then 3. So that's 11 master numbers. So somebody's kind of getting off the fence of their emotions and stepping into the light. So now somebody is enlightened emotionally with their water. So feelings about something. So somebody has some feelings about something now. And talking, right, to just end a nightmare. Just somebody's like, okay, let's just end this nightmare. Let's just end it. Let's just end it. Let's everybody just wake up. Let's collect ourselves. Let's just wake up from a nightmare. Everybody duly noted. We got the notes. Everybody good. Let's just move on. Come off this tightrope of such things. Got what we needed. Whatever that means. I'm just reading the cards. Everybody got what they needed. So believe in the impossible. Believe in the impossible. Believe in the impossible. Believe in the impossible. Yep. Believe in the impossible. Journal. Journal. And Source needs you to start journaling. Source needs you to start journaling. Two situations, Source needs you to really, really start journaling for now. Receiving. Every day becomes easier to receive the highest divine plan and to trust my inner guidance. Yeah, trust your inner guidance. Time to move on. As I improve each day, my income expands in every way. I provide valuable outputs that serve and uplift the people around me. I communicate my thoughts, feelings, and ideas with ease. With ease. All right, that is what well, we have a number here. Yeah. What is the number? 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 19. I'm a pioneer. Independence and self-sufficiency are necessities to you. You are extremely capable in life and in work, and you aren't afraid to take big risks to achieve the life that you desire. 19. That is what I have for you, Taurus. Thank you for joining me. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.